Hello, my name is Bruno Ramsen and I am your Norwegian language teacher. Today we're going to talk about a adverb. Yes, specifically one that can be a little bit tricky to use, but I bet most people know it in one of its meaning, right? This is the adverb NOK and its functions. A lot of people have it locked down as enough. Just straight out. That's the first one everyone remembers. I've been trying for a very long time with my students to make them also you have the function as probably, because it can also mean that depending on the context what you're saying. So just for a fun one, you could say the nok nok, it is probably enough. Could do that, right? But then it's just quite simple. The placement of this little adverb is the same as, for example, ikke, right? Det ikke, or the adverb alltid, aldri, right? You have them at the place after your in normal helsetning, they come after your subject and your verb. In ledsetning, it's straight after your subject and in front of the verb. We'll talk more about that a little bit later. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember about that. Try to use that in the day because it's so useful. And I have a lot of aha moments with my students when they're like, that's what they were saying. They're watching TV, for example, and they think everyone's saying enough all the time, right? And they kind of, what's going on? I know it can be hard to get one word that has two meanings, two functions of them. Try to incorporate this. Really tricky to kind of put that in for you to use it. But my advice for that is writing down your own sentences, your own examples, and then using them. There's nothing better for memory than actually taking what you've learned and putting it into use in the day-to-day. Like you could say, det nok fint, eller det nok alt, for example, if you want to add that. But that is the probability you're adding on to that. Right, so it's the exact same meaning as probably in English, right? And it's a model adverb. Translation is quite clear. Nok, probably, that's it. Yeah, I'll try to add some more of these fun little tricky to use adverbs later. Thank you for watching.